We will finish this section by discussing EPP recovery and remediation technology. A complete endpoint protection strategy should offer robust methods for containing and remediating any detected threat. Attempting to manually find and remove malware, threats, and all related artifacts can be a slow, painstaking job, as we have seen in the previous lectures. And if done incorrectly, the threat could return because it has not been fully removed. For this reason, when it comes to businesses, many organizations choose to wipe and re-image the affected computer's hard drive. A complete system wiping, in many cases, may actually be more disruptive, though, and costly than any other option, particularly if the threat turns out to be benign. Many next-generation AV and endpoint detection and response products provide little support for recovery and remediation, concentrating more on detecting attacks, but not capable of doing the cleanup work so that the system can be returned to a previously good state. Because of the cost of recovery, containment approaches should be considered that records all endpoint events and activities, allowing it to undo what an attacker or malware has done, such as those offered by companies such as Avencia, Bromium, Bufferzone, and Phoronix Deep Freeze to isolate the core system from untrusted activity. Disk cloning should also be considered so you can quickly restore a system to a previously good state. I'll run through some examples of technology that is available to do that. You clone the disk completely and then you're able to restore back to a known good condition. This is Rollback RX. This is Macrium Reflect Free. Mac has things like Carbon Copy. Mac also has Time Machine. There are offerings such as Drive Image, CloneZilla, Acronis True Image. The product I recommend for imaging, though, is Terabyte Image for Windows, and there's also an image for Linux and an image for DOS as well. This one's very good. And Semantic Ghost. Additionally, you could use snapshots in virtual machine technologies such as with VMware, VirtualBox, XenServer, and Docker. You use your virtual machines for higher risk activities. If things go wrong, then you can roll back using snapshots. And when using cloud servers such as AWS, DigitalOcean, Turnkey Linux, etc., these allow for snapshots too. If something bad happens, you can quickly roll back and recover to a previous state. The faster and quicker you can respond to a threat, the less cost it will have in terms of actual cost and time and resources, and it can also minimize impact. Effective response and recovery is the final layer in your defense in-depth strategy for endpoint protection.